how to dropship from Alibaba to Amazon. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be exploring and discussing how you will be able to do dropshipping between Amazon and Alibaba over here. Now, there is no direct connection between Alibaba and Amazon, so we will be discussing a workaround or how you will be able to do it without using any third party or other platforms. Although this method that I will be discussing is a bit tedious and manual, it sure will work for the method or for the purpose that you're trying to use it for. So first things first, you're going to have to manage your account. You're going to have to create your accounts in both Amazon and Alibaba over here. Now, how will we be able to transfer or do drop shipping between Alibaba and Amazon? Now, the process will be very simple. First things first, over here in Amazon, to be able to sell a specific product, you're going over here on your sell section over here. Simply click on sell and you will be redirected over here. Now you're going to have to sign up to be a seller in Amazon. Now there will be some requirements and different information that you're going to have to fully accomplish. But you're simply going to follow up over here where you're going to sign up to be a seller or to be a merchant in Amazon. There will be a whole process over here, so simply do just that. After doing that, after managing your account, being able to have your own store in Amazon, what you're going to do next is you're going to go to Alibaba and of course, search for the product that you're trying to sell. Now, there's a lot of different types of product. So what I suggest as a beginner who wants to get started with dropshipping, focus on a specific category because that will just make your life easier. For example, you want to focus on a specific category, you could search different types of category over here. Maybe you could check out the top ranking over here, hot selling. Those are great places to find different products based or best reviewed over here, just like this. You could use this as sections to find different products. So for example, I have here jewelry. I could open this and I could check out their different products stakes. And after that, for example, I found a jewelry that I would like to dropship into Amazon. I'm going to select it. So for example, we have this one. This is a product that I could sell in Amazon. So after finding a product that you would like to sell, simply open an Excel over here or a Google Sheet that you could use. You could use Excel or Google Sheet. It's completely up to you. And what you're going to do is you're going to put in the different information over here. Because we're doing our own section over here, we're not going to be using any other third party. We're going to be doing things manually. You're first going to get the title over here. Now you can change the title later on, but let's keep it original for now. Here we go. Then let's select the information over here to make sure it's small. Here we go. Then let's say that's that. And over here, what you're going to do next, you're going to check out the price. Put it here. This is for allowing you to understand or be able to manage the information more. You'll be able to easily navigate or rather easily identify the amount of money that you're going to spend. Using a sheet will help you manage your information a lot. So what you're going to do is just that, copy the title, copy the price, copy the data over here, the details, all of those things that you need. After gathering them over here, assuming you will now be able to just simply copy and paste it when you go over here in Amazon and say you want to add a product now, you can easily just copy the title and then paste it on the Amazon, copy the amount of or the price. Of course, you're going to have to add an extra dollar or two to make sure that you're going to get some money back as well. And after that, you do the details as well. So after getting those information, you're going to search in your new tab, Alibaba, download extension. And simply select the Alibaba image downloader over here. And this extension will allow you to download any photos in Alibaba. For example, over here, these are photos that you could download and then you could use that to upload it in Amazon as well. So basically, you're going to get all the information, the title, the price, the images, the description, and then you're going to go to Amazon and you're going to add a new product in Amazon. The items that you're going to input in the Amazon is like the title that you've gotten from the product that you want, the price of course, and details. And you're going to have to add your extra, like I said here, add some extra so that you earn. And you're going to upload that product. Now, how will you do it? Now, what happens if someone buys the product that you have uploaded in Amazon? Now, when someone orders from you on an e-commerce platform, if you're the seller or the merchant, of course, you're going to get the information of the buyer because you're going to have to send the product to them, of course. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Alibaba after getting the information such as their name, their address, all the necessary information that they have given you. You're then going to go to Alibaba and you're going to order the product in Alibaba as yourself, but the information that you're going to add or you're going to put on the delivery information is the information of the customer that had provided you their information through your Amazon. Also, keep in mind when you're uploading your product in Alibaba, make sure, or rather Amazon, make sure that you put in the corner or put in the description that they will be or you will be getting the product from Alibaba, so that if ever they are complaining that they got their product from Alibaba, you will be able to defend yourself by saying that you have mentioned that you are going to be sending it from Alibaba or the product is going to be ordered from Alibaba. And after that, you will be able to successfully get a sale once Alibaba delivers it to them. So basically, you're just going to order for your customer in Alibaba, but you're using Amazon as a platform to get more sales or get more customers. Now, after doing that, you can simply do the same process that I have just said or mentioned, but now with a different product. For example, this one, you can now open this product, download the images, download or get the title, get the price, get the details, and upload it on your Amazon so that you will be able to sell it as well. Now, there are some product that has some limitation, so you're going to have to study the product that you are going to sell as well. You can't just simply find and then upload all different products that you want. You're going to have to be smart about it because, for example, this one only sells an item per batch. So there will be 12 pieces over here. So either you adjust on your Amazon posting or you adjust on your product. For example, this one, as you can see, the minimal order quality is 3 pieces as well. Then there's other products over here. So you're going to have to be careful. You're not limited to jewelry like what I'm doing right now. You could do other types of product. It all depends on you. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.